Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at and do a quick install on our windshield for the Can-Am Defender. So the kit comes with everything you need to install, all 4 brackets, the outer gasket, and of course the windshield that currently has a protective coating on it. We'll get that peeled off, get the gasket around the edge, and install the windshield. So you'll start at the center of the bottom. That way your seam on the gasket meets up there. Just work your way around, push the gasket onto the windshield. All right, our clamps drop into the windshield. They're gonna have a Velcro strap that's gonna go around the factory roll bar, through this pin setup, and back and attach to itself. All right, so now we will set it in place. After test fitting the clips, we removed them. Then we're going to set the windshield in place, get it lined up. Make sure our gas is making good contact. Drop it in place, bring it around the roll bar, through the pin, and back onto itself. Drop it in, pull it snug, and attach the Velcro. And with that, the windshield install on the Can-Am Defender is complete. 4 simple straps hold the scratch-resistant windshield to the factory roll bar, and no longer do you have to dodge mud, sticks, or twigs, or anything else out on the trail.